So we're getting a big breaking news. The development that has taken place where the centre has now hit back at the OIC over its charge of certain Islamophobia that is being witnessed in India. When Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has now hit back and said that India is heaven for Muslims, the economic, their religious rights are absolutely secure and there is no need to be any sort of a question that needs to be taken on the religious rights of the minorities. The Organization of the Islamic Cooperation that we are talking about, where it had urged India to take urgent steps to protect the rights of the minorities, the Muslim community, and to stop incidents of what it calls Islamophobia in India, where India has now rightly hit back at the OIC. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, the Union Minister, saying that India is doing its job with conviction. The Prime Minister, whenever he speaks, he talks about the rights and the welfare of 130 crore Indians. It does not divide between religious segregation. That is not being done at any cost. All the welfare activities and benefits are for all Indian citizens to enjoy. We have Niranjan, our editor, with us to give us more details on the reply, on the response that has now been given, and India hitting back at the OIC. Niranjan, over to you.
Well, detailed statement has been issued. This is coming days after the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, or the OIC, a conglomeration of Muslim nations, expressed concern over alleged incidents of what they called Islamophobia in India. And responding to this, the centre, led by Minority Affairs Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, who's led the charge today to say that Muslims are prosperous in India and those trying to vitiate the atmosphere cannot be India's friends. Now, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, or the OIC, had on Sunday urged the Indian government to take urgent steps to protect the rights of minorities, that is the Muslim community, and stop incidents of Islamophobia. Now, God alone knows what they were referring to. But when asked about the OIC criticism, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi has said, we are doing our job with conviction. Prime Minister, whenever he speaks, talks about the rights and welfare of 130 crore Indians, which includes everybody and Muslims as well. So he says if somebody cannot see this, then it is their problem. India's Muslims, its minorities, all its sections are prosperous, and those trying to vitiate this atmosphere of prosperity cannot be friends of Indian Muslims. So there has been, there has been a concerted effort to try and, paint a picture of Islamophobia, which is of course bogus. India has hit back, saying that those who are trying to vitiate the atmosphere are not friends of Indian Muslims. So I think a very strongly worded response coming in to the OIC, which has tried to meddle many times in the past, including on Kashmir as well, Amita.
All right, we have the National Minorities Commission Chief Gharol Hasan Rizvi also joining us. How do you view India's response to the OIC that has been made? Because hitting right back that there is no term such as Islamophobia that exists in India.
आज भारत में इस्लाम के मानने वाले इंडोनेशिया के बाद सबसे बड़ी तादाद में हैं और यहाँ सभी सिक्योर हैं। उनकी जितनी भी नमाज हो, रोजा हो, जितनी भी उनकी धार्मिक आस्थाएं हैं, वो सब बहाल है। तो ये जो आईसी ने आरोप लगाया है बिल्कुल गलत है और हिंदुस्तान जो है वो मुसलमानों के लिए एक तरह से जन्नत है। यहाँ जितना मुसलमान सेफ है और जितना अपने धार्मिक रीति रिवाजों को आसानी से मान सकता है और मनाता है, उतना दूसरे देशों में नहीं है। आप सीरिया में देखिए, इराक में देखिए और दूसरे अफगानिस्तान में देखिए जो हालात है, यहाँ फिर भी सबसे ज्यादा सेफ है और हिंदुस्तान का मुसलमान बिल्कुल सेफ है। वो हर तरह से अपनी जितनी धार्मिक आस्थाएं हैं उनको मनाता है।
जी, क्योंकि आपने जन्नत शब्द का इस्तेमाल करा, वही शब्द यहाँ पे भी यूज किया गया है। हेवन कहा गया है। जहां तक जितनी रिलीजियस माइनॉरिटीज है वो सिर्फ मुसलमानों को नहीं देख रहे। इंडिया का जो जवाब दिया गया है ओआईसी को, वो कह रहे कि सारे माइनॉरिटीज। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी अगर बात करते हैं इंडियंस की, 130 करोड़ इंडियंस की, वो एज अ होल बात करते हैं। वो कभी नहीं कहते कि ये जो हमारे जितने ये स्कीम्स हैं या जितने प्रोग्राम्स हैं वो सिर्फ रिलीजियस स्पेसिफिक हो। सबके लिए, मतलब सबके लिए, 130 करोड़ भारतीयों के लिए। रिजवी साहब,
बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही है, क्योंकि ओआईसी का मेन मतलब माइनॉरिटी का मतलब वो सिर्फ मुस्लिम मानते हैं, हम नहीं मानते। हम तो माइनॉरिटी में जो हमारी 6 कम्युनिटीज हैं उनको माइनॉरिटी मानता है हिंदुस्तान। और हिंदुस्तान में 130 करोड़ की जनता है, वो पूरी सिक्योर है। उसके लिए एक तरह के कानून है, सभी धार्मिक मानने वालों को, सभी धार्मिक आस्था में रखने वाले लोगों के लिए वो 130 करोड़ जनता अपने अपने धर्म का फ्री होकर पालन करती है। उस पर किसी तरह की रोक नहीं है, किसी तरह का उस पर बंदिश नहीं है। इसलिए मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ कि हिंदुस्तान जो है वो 130 करोड़ लोगों को, किसी भी धर्म के मानने वालों हो, उनके लिए जन्नत है।
जी, Ghairul Hassan Rizvi Saab, thank you very much, sir, for putting your point across. Our executive editor is also with us, Abhishek Kapoor. Abhishek, there were certain individuals who were talking about genocide of minorities in India. This is an answer that has hit them right back on their face.
Well, I fail to understand, Amita, that what has happened in Palghar, for example, is that Islamophobia? If policemen and healthcare professionals are doing contact tracing in affected areas, is that Islamophobia? You know, for example, in the United States, disproportionate number of African Americans and other ethnicities have died, if you look at it in terms of ratio of those dead. Here we have a situation where a secular state is protecting all its citizens and doing contact tracing in the most scientific manner. OIC has clearly taken a political position. It's very clear it's motivated by machinations of Pakistan. And while a proper response from the Ministry of External Affairs is still awaited, what Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, who is a minister in the government, has cleared is that OIC should desist. And this is not the first time they have done it, but they should desist from interfering in a humanitarian crisis that the world is dealing with. And India has, in fact, shown relative success and even leadership in terms of...
and OIC member is Pakistan also, I believe, Abhishek, because we've seen Imran Khan rather giving all this time and attention to what's happening in India rather than in Pakistan itself. What happens to the religious minorities there? They're not being given the basic right of food. They are being denied that. Pakistan will not take up that matter, neither will OIC. Well, that is India hitting back at the OIC over what it says is Islamophobia being witnessed in India. India hitting it right back, saying that for minorities, especially for Muslims, India right now and all the time has been the best place to be.